What's up, guys? Welcome to another BTC pump stream. I was just streaming before, but I think my internet dragged or because I couldn't share my screen. So I'm trying again. I'm out of town. So that's probably why my setup started dragging, but we're going to try again anyway. I'm not giving up the first try. I'm going to do a small recap. We have BTC here testing the upper part of this descending channel, this bullish consolidating structure, and breaking out the family of and this Adam and Eve bottoming pattern that we talked about for the past few streams. It's always good to be above 64,900 bucks and above 69 bucks because they correspond to important levels from history. Two previous all-time highs, the first from April 2021 and the other one from November 2021. Any significant price action above that level, it's good, and it's just we're going to let Bitcoin do its thing because I think it's really bullish. I'm gonna go fast of what I talked before because I want to leave it on the video, but we already discussed it. Bitcoin against the SPX is also testing the upper side of the channel, the consolidating structure. We had a breakout out of this Adam and Eve bottoming pattern that we talked about the last few streams. You actually had a breakout and a bullish test that we had today, but it marked up like a chat, and right now it's currently sitting at resistance. And then this structure is considered overbought, but we'll have to see because I think eventually the structure will give out, and you'll see Bitcoin ripping to all-time highs against the S. The measure move for this pattern, it was a 10% breakout out of the neckline, and we're currently on there because the target would be at around 14 points. So bullish on BTCD, bullish on Bitcoin against the SPX. I'm actually not bullish on BTCD. Actually, the 3-day candle closed today. Fully bodied candle closed today, so it looks good against the SPX. I would elaborate more on Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance, but I don't want to go all about everything that I just talked about. So bearish, I'm going to repeat this because this is really important, and this is what this streams is about. I think there's bearish. I think there's buyer's exhaustion on the BTCD chart. You can see higher highs on price. You see this higher high on March 1st, then on April 12th, and then on May 15th. These are 3-day candles, and you see lower highs on the MACD histogram chart. So, which I'm going to show you right away. The lower highs on the momentum of the histogram of the MACD. So see it's bearishly diverging, and this is the first negative momentum candle on the 3-day that's opening today. It's just a couple minutes that's been open yet, but this one's going to roll over since the significance of the 57% resistance area, which is quite strong, and this buyer's exhaustion edge that we have on the MACD histogram. I think we're gonna roll over all the way down to 50% at least, which is like a 10% markdown on BTCD, which would have us, which would give us altcoins outperforming Bitcoin in that meantime. So we discussed Bitcoin against the SPX, BTC, and we were talking. Ethereum looks really good, above the 35, of the $3,582 level. This is from the complacency shoulder from the past cycle, so it's quite an inflection. You tested it here and then you tested it here again. You had a nuke. We couldn't sustain any significant price action above it in this March to April rally, and now we just broke above it with one huge, almost 20% candle. So that's really good for Ethereum. I'm going to show you what I was talking about Ethereum. On the 2-week setup, you have a huge inverse head and shoulders. You have the left shoulder here in February 14, 2022, and this large head, which was the accumulation, and now building the right for this inverse head and shoulder setup. And this is a similar setup that we had on Solana that we talked about, which is really bullish. I'm going to show it to you on Sol. I think Solana was on the weekly candles. So yeah, this is a similar setup that's being painted right now on Ethereum. You have the left shoulder, a huge head of accumulation, and then the right shoulder, which we're currently printing on right now. And you can see here is just blasted through, getting really close to all-time highs. So going back to Ethereum, this is the 2-week looking at. Looks awesome. And it looks really risk on to Ethereum. And the past stream that I was trying to do, it ended when I was talking about the reason of this pump. Apparently some news came out that the odds of ETF approval for Ethereum went up. I don't think anything has really changed, because they didn't change the filing or the SEC president hasn't been removed or anything. So it's just the same circumstances. But apparently, just some news switched the market sentiment on the approval of the ETF, which I think is really funny, because nothing has materially changed. We've been talking about that Larry Fink from BlackRock usually doesn't lose when he files for an ETF. So most likely the Ethereum ETF, I think it's going to get approved, and I think it's going to get pushed. I'm not sure it's going to get approved in May. I think they might run the same BTC playbook that they did last year. So the latest approval date would be for August, I think, for Ethereum. So we could do the same Bitcoin playbook that we had for Ethereum, just a bullish price action all the way to August, and have the approval in August, and have like bullish momentum building up to the ETF approval. So that's with the Cointelegraph entered fake news of the BTC approval that we had in October, which basically started the rally for Bitcoin. So I'm taking this price action as a same move, Okay. I seem to be having the same trouble. Man, my setup doesn't let me stream, huh? Just kind of share my screen for a few minutes and then just rocks me. Can somebody in the chat confirm you can see my screen? Ah, damn it. Same trouble again. This is really annoying. What can I do? Yep, I don't think I'm sharing my screen anymore. It sucks. Well, I'm going to try to solve it for a couple minutes, otherwise I'm just gonna have to end the stream. But I was just telling that today's price action on Ethereum feels like the fake news Bitcoin approval for its ETF, which gave us the start of the rally. So I think Ethereum is going to start outperforming Bitcoin for the following weeks, because of the Bitcoin dominance step that we were talking about, the bearish divergence that we had, that's currently playing out. Okay, I'm trying like 4 times to share my screen, just not without any luck. Okay. Might take a minute for it to work, but I don't know why. Okay, in the meantime, okay, Ethereum is 1% on the daily on the new daily candle. In the meantime, after Ethereum, we're gonna look at Ethereum against BTC. Let's go at ETH BTC, because we had a 3-day candle close today too as well, and you'll see the bullish divergence that the MACD had, which is currently trending positive momentum. Okay, I tried something different. Let me see. No? I'm going to share my full screen. Maybe that works. Sorry for the troubles. Just I don't know what's going on. It's not my internet. Could be just YouTube. I'm gonna have to start using OBS, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Okay, this sucks. All right, I'm not able to share my screen. I don't know why. Gonna test on a different computer maybe later on, or try tomorrow again and do a stream again. Sorry for the troubles. Thanks to anyone who logged in and who liked the stream and who watched the stream until now. Appreciate you all. Just on to give you a summary for you all. BTCD looks bearish. I think ETH is going to outperform Bitcoin. I think ETH beta is going to outperform most of the altcoins. ETH memes will probably outperform Solana memes. I think Ethereum is going to outperform Sol. Altcoins look really good for a run up here. I tried to do the stream once again later on, but I'm not being able to share my screen. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Sorry for your troubles, and I see you guys on the next time.